Welcome back to Finance Export. Today, we've got an exciting topic to dive into: building a passive income stream with real estate crowdfunding. If you've ever wondered about alternative ways to invest in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord, you're in the right place. But before we jump in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our financial insights. Now, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding real estate crowdfunding. So, what exactly is real estate crowdfunding? Well, it's a game changer for those looking to invest in real estate without the massive upfront costs or management headaches. Instead of buying an entire property, you can invest in a portion of it alongside other investors through online platforms. Section 2. Benefits of real estate crowdfunding. Let's talk about the perks. First up, diversification. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to spread your investments across various properties, reducing risk. Plus, it's hands-off, no need to deal with tenant issues or property management. And the best part? You can start with a relatively small amount compared to traditional real estate investments. Section 3. How to get started. Now, let's get practical. How do you get started? Well, step 1 is finding a reliable real estate crowdfunding platform. Look for one with a good track record, transparent fees, and a user-friendly interface. Once you've chosen a platform, creating an account is usually a straightforward process. Section 4. Choosing the right investments. Now comes the fun part: choosing your investments. Most platforms offer a range of projects, from residential to commercial properties. Take your time to research and select projects aligned with your investment goals. Some might focus on growth, while others provide regular cash flow through rental income. Section 5. Risks and considerations. Of course, it's crucial to be aware of the risks. Real estate, even in crowdfunding, isn't risk-free. Market fluctuations, economic downturns, these factors can impact returns. Make sure to do your due diligence, understand the platform's fees, and consider the investment horizon. Section 6. Monitoring and adjusting your portfolio. Once you're invested, it's not a set it and forget it situation. Regularly check your portfolio and the overall performance of your investments. Most platforms provide detailed dashboards where you can track returns, view property updates, and adjust your strategy if needed. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of building a passive income stream with real estate crowdfunding. It's an exciting avenue for investors seeking diversification and a hands-off approach to real estate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking to explore new investment opportunities.